Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to, I don't know, hold on over this. This will help me. This is a tool I will use to do what I'm going to do in this video. Okay, so right here I have a pair of speakers. Here's one side. This is a pair of speaker set that was at my work, and the tip of the audio cable, can't get close enough right now for you to see it, but the tip has broken off. Here, let me see if I can show you this part. The tip of that, what would be that top part, or before the first black line, that is broken off and it is stuck in someone's computer at my work. So try to get it out, but it ain't gonna come out. So I just thought I'd bring the speakers home and see if I could make them work myself by cutting and splicing this cable and some audio cable. This is audio RCA cable. It has the 2 reds and 2 whites on them. And I'm going to cut close to one end with the red and whites, and I'm going to cut this end off, and then I'm going to find the left and right channel on these, well, on this one, and put the left and right channel separately on these 2 cables so I can hear sound from them. So you're just gonna follow along as I do this process. So let's get started. Because this smaller wire is too small for my little wire stripper, I'm going to use this little hole portion right here in my pliers to strip these coated wires. So just grab and pull, and that shows the wire, bare wire. And we're going to do the same to this one. And there we go. You give a lot of room to strip the wire, because of the nature of this wire having 3. So now what we do is put all of the open braided bare wire into one wrap. So grab it from here, grab it from there, grab it from this one, and just begin twisting. Undo the twist. I still need to strip these longer wires. So let's do that. 1 and 2. Yeah, let's get a little bit more on that one. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna wind this one with the white cable that I have right here. And this will be very, very hard to see. And I'll put the black with the red. Now the speakers work. Oh yeah. Yeah. Sitting in here with my underwear, don't know where to go. Oh no.
What the? Inappropriate, kid. Don't sit there in your underwear.
But guys, okay, so you saw it here. The speakers work. So I'm playing music to this Bluetooth adapter over here. Yeah, we'll see. And I've hooked up the end of the red and white cable, audio cable, to the auxiliary cable on the speakers, and I've turned up the volume, and now they work. And you'll hear as I unconnect one of the sides, I'm untwisting. This side doesn't work. You can see I have both my hands, and here's the speaker right next to this. I'm going to touch these white cables together. See both my hands. I have to play my music, sorry. Alright. Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah. So there we go. We have another pair of speakers that we can use. And they're not terrible. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and can learn from it. Besides that, have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. By the way, you can put some electrical tape over the wires to keep them from touching each other. I don't know what will happen if you touch them to each other. Just crackle and whatnot, but